Welcome back, everybody, to Sunday School. What we're going to do today, we're going to feature this nice yellow Golf right here. It's very heavily oxidated. It looks nice from far away, but you get close to it, you see a lot of oxidation. So we're going to do first thing is first, we're going to use Final Touch and 3D clay towel. And then after we use that, once we take the contamination off the cart, we're going to hit it with a 510 using our white spider pad, 5-inch. I'm going to finish it with a 5-inch light purple pad using speed to add a little bit of polish and a little bit of protection. Okay, what you want to do, you always want to fold this in half like that. You don't use the whole towel. It's already been washed, no dust on it, but you can hear the contamination. And with the clay, we're gonna knock down maybe like 10-20% of the oxidation on there, and then the rest of it we're gonna do it with compounding polish. So now that I corrected the first pass with 510 using the white pad, you see how yellow it got? So that's all the oxidation and the color that's coming out. So it's gonna make it pop. Right now I'm gonna wipe it off and I'm gonna finish the half like that. You see the transition. Right now I'm gonna do speed over it. If you guys can already see, there's already a 50-50 big difference. So my first step was 510. Now I'm gonna follow it with a light purple pad, 5-inch and 3D speed to add it more of a pop and more protection on there. So now we're gonna wipe it off. So there you have it in 2 easy steps. 510, speed, you're done.